Berkshire Hathaway's investment portfolio remains an unparalleled source for identifying exceptional companies that have garnered the approval of a visionary investor. Over the period from 1965 to 2022, Berkshire Hathaway's CEO, Warren Buffett, achieved a phenomenal return, 3.7 million%. This remarkable performance is the result of two distinct strategies: direct acquisitions of companies by Buffett and the acquisition of minority stakes in high-quality companies through the stock market. This extraordinary growth history highlights Buffett's mastery in the investment universe. Apple represents the largest holding in Berkshire's portfolio, valued at $156 billion at the end of the third quarter. Buffett emphasizes Apple's competitive advantage and its ability to generate reinvestable profits at high rates. The company boasts an extraordinary return on invested capital of 56%. Noteworthy is the growth in the installed base of devices to 2 billion over the last 7 years. Revenue from services, driven by apps, subscriptions, and others, is a significant source of profit. Apple generated $99 billion in free cash flow in the last year, distributing 15% of that amount to shareholders. Buffett's Berkshire has built a significant stake in Occidental Petroleum, owning 34% of the company. Despite the decline in oil prices, the company generated $6.9 billion in free cash flow over the last 4 quarters. The recent acquisition of oil and gas producer Crown Rock for $12 billion aims to boost cash flow. Occidental has utilized excess cash flow to reduce debt, repurchase shares, and pay dividends. It offers a dividend yield of 1.25% and trades at an attractive multiple of 8 times free cash flow. Berkshire holds over $1.5 billion in MasterCard shares, which have increased by 119% since 2019. The growth of digital payment services has propelled MasterCard's success, with 3.3 billion cards in circulation globally. Operating as a payment processor, MasterCard enjoys high margins and a solid competitive advantage. The company's business model resulted in a 14% annual growth in free cash flow over the last decade. MasterCard continues to expand the adoption of digital payments, promising additional years of profit and free cash flow growth. The company consistently distributes free cash flow to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. Over the past decade, the stock has provided a cumulative return of over 400% to shareholders, and the outlook for the next 10 years is equally promising. This year holds the promise of incredible opportunities, and you don't want to miss out. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your investment journey or a seasoned investor aiming to spot upcoming trends, I've got you covered. I'm excited to share a free course designed to equip you with the skills needed to navigate the market successfully this year. Don't let opportunities pass you by. Click the link in the comments or on the screen to access the playlist. See you there, ready to seize the year together.